Hello everyone. In the previous video we added our dashboard in the /home, right? So we are, when our user is logging in, so we are opening this dashboard. So now the time is to log out this user. So how we can do this? So let's click on this profile, and there is a logout button which is redirecting on this same route. So we are not going to log out, we are not going to redirect it on the same routes. We are going to redirect it on the logout, and then we are going to log out our user and kick our user back. So how we can do this? So let's go to the project, and in the auth blade here there is a logout. So let's search for logout, and yes, logout is there. So after this log screen, so here we need to submit this post request. So we are not going to use this get request. Why? Because this is we are logouting our user, so basically we are submitting something. So that's why we are going to first implement this through form. So how we can do this? So let's go here, and here you need to add a form. It's a basic HTML form. So let me type this form, and here you need to type your form method. It would be a post, and then you need to specify your route name. So I'm going to use the logout, which is comes by default with the Laravel UI package, right? And then I'm going to add a CSRF token for cross-site tags, and then I'm going to add this into our this form. So add this, and here let me add this as a button, so we can submit this form. So let me add a button here. So it would be a button, and then I'm going to make this button as logout. So let me copy the logout icon from there and cut this out from there, and then here I'm going to paste this here, right? So now it will display the icon with the logout, and then I'm going to copy these classes from there and add them here. So now it will work exactly same. Maybe it's different because our CSS we change our CSS from href to button. So let's take eye on it. So it's going to, let's click on this, and yes, our logout is working. Our logout functionality is not breakout. So let's click on this. So now it's going to kick our user out, and then it's going to log out this user. So let me close this out. So let's click on this, and it's going to log out this user, and yes, our user is logged out. So it means that we can't go to this home. So it will redirect our user back, because there is a middleware which is checking that our user is logged in or not. So we successfully added this. So in the next video we are going to do our next step. So I will meet you in the next one. Bye bye.